Hello, in front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you Blocker Control Minigame. In the beginning, let's go to Minigames and Offense Blocker Control.
Here we go!
Crash into defenders to clear a lane for your running back and score as many touchdowns as possible.
Stop! On two. Stop! Get set! Stop! Here we go! On one, ready? Stop! On one, ready? Stop! On one, ready? Stop! Here we go. Stop! Here we go. Gun. Stop! Here we go. Stop! Here we go. Stop! Get set! Stop!
And that's basically
Here
it.
we go.
If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.